Okay. Okay.
We start with Deepti there.
So
Okay, Jamie. Okay, go ahead.
I'm learning the cover drive first from Jamie. Okay, come. This is my bat for now.
Yeah, like you said, you have to stand a bit side. Okay. So
I'll keep the mic with you.
I don't know if I should go full technical.
Hold the mics for you. Yes.
Oh yeah, right.
So now you
So
hold
that's
the
your
mic.
batting stance. Okay. You take your bat up and you dip your shoulder basically. Head and shoulder go together. You take your foot heel to toe and then you hit it through the covers.
Oh!
Good shot.
He doesn't need teaching, man.
In gully cricket, we used to always make a sound with the shot. Na? ठीक था सर?
That's perfect.
जितना थोड़ा बहुत.
Okay, I know you have a signature move with Toba Toba, but I
Right.
have a signature move.
Okay.
And that is the floss. So if you can do that
It's
with
a
me.
floss.
It's a floss.
What's a
Do you-
floss?
The floss is.
Oh, yes.
ये बहुत मुश्किल है. Okay, let me try this with
Okay.
you. Go slow first.
So basically, hands here, hip out, hip through, out there, here, here, here. Yeah, now faster.
Only two. Now the bowling from
The
Deepti.
bowling action now.
ऐसे ही करना पड़ेगा.
I'll teach you bowling action, how to bowl.
ठीक है.
नहीं मैं बताती हूँ आपको कि लाइक ऑफ स्पिन कैसे डालते हैं. तो लाइक जो सीम होता है उसको ऐसे क्रॉस होल्ड करते हैं और फिर उसके बाद में एक्शन करते हैं. सो विल डू लाइक दिस.
हम इमेजिन कर लेते हैं कि विकेट मिल गई हमें, है ना? आपसे तो मिल ही जाएगी. चलो मैंने इमेजिन कर लिया.
Ajay, Arun, there's a bit of a glitch here. We can't play that music because of certain limitations. You can sing
Arun can
Toba
always
Toba
sing.
lyrics.
Arun
No,
can
Arun
always
will
sing.
Yeah, Toba Toba lyrics. And Vicky will teach the action.
Yeah, okay. Please bear with me. Huh? I'm not Nightingale, but we'll try. Yeah. So
चलें
do you
try
want to
साथ
teach
में?
them the? Do you want to teach them the steps, Paji?
ये heels में भी हो जाता है.
हाँ.
कभी कभार. Come, we come here. We'll try it all together. Come, Jimmy.
First,
Are you
do.
gonna say?
I think you should do the marking first for them. Just tell them, or you want to go straight up.
I think teachers first.
सिखाना
Yeah,
पड़ेगा.
yeah.
अच्छा, okay.
थोड़ा सा
So-
marking कर दो Paji.
Okay, so first you have to go back, पैर ऊपर करके, ये heel पे पैर रखा और ये join कर दिया. फिर से back, heel, join कर दिया. Back, heel. Amol sir, I can see the cheating going on over here. Should we try? ये ऊपर heel जोड़ दिया, ऊपर heel जोड़ दिया. Correct.
जोड़ दिया.
Their footwork is good. They've cracked it very quickly.
है ना?
Yeah.
Ekdam.
Should we try it?
Yeah, let's go, guys. 3, 2.
अरुण तो अभी
You
ढंग से
sing.
गा देना.
Okay, no pressure.
Okay.
Okay,
One.
here we go. 3, 2, 1. हुस्न तेरा तौबा तौबा तौबा.
बहुत ज़्यादा fast हो रहा है.
I'll reduce it. Okay, sure.
And
3.
साथ में मैं एक बोलना भूल गया.
Pali,
ये हाथ
is
भी
it-
जाएगा. It's good.
हाँ.
ये. Okay.
Okay.
1,
3, 2, 1.
हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you so
सर
much.
तुम्ही करू
Yeah, we'll do
शकता.
it one more time. See, Jam. No.
हाँ ये कर सकते हैं. Okay, yeah. This one is simple, sir. Sir हे सोपा है. हाँ simple है. 1, 2, 3.
हुस्न तेरा
हुस्न तेरा
तौबा
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 तौबा.
तौबा.
This was flawless. Give it up
Brilliant,
for all
brilliant.
of them. And many
Thank you.
congratulations, ladies, on winning NDTV Indian of the Year. Thank you very much for
I'll
joining.